The ultimate new iPhone unboxing. Wow, this blue color is insane. As usual, just the charger cable and manuals. Look at that beauty and premium feel in hand. Oh, the design is seriously mesmerizing. The moment we've been waiting for. Peel it off. Time to protect the new beast. Protective case and screen protector ready. Who even reads the instruction manuals anyway? Smart screen installation. Oh, honestly, genius. Pull hard and get rid of those bubbles. Wait for the result. Hype level 1000. The screen is shining like a mirror now. Still a few bubbles left. They gotta go. Now everything looks absolutely perfect. Let's open the case and check the quality. A classy transparent case that shows off the color beautifully. Putting the case on the iPhone. Fit is absolutely perfect. Final result. Full protection with a legendary look.